Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tenemsco, the favorite YouTuber of your favorite YouTuber, and in today's video I'm gonna review the Akatsuki Cloak.
I drive a king, I ain't got no note, I ain't got no ring, I am a goat, I am a man, y'all in the low, we smoking dope, I keep it close, you with the folks, I'm with the dose, give me some dope, little bit of hope, you already know, treat the top of this.
In case you didn't realize, I'm a big Dragon Ball Z and Naruto fan, especially Naruto. That's my passion, and I'm gonna start making more Naruto videos literally. And basically, in case you didn't know the Akatsuki, basically in Naruto there's a system of nations basically that have a whole ninja world, and basically the Akatsuki basically is an organization that was created in order to gather the tail beasts. Each nation has a tail beast basically, and they are the most powerful beings in the Naruto universe. The goal of the Akatsuki is to gather those tail beasts in order to have power and dominate the entire world and thus create peace. The Akatsuki was created by Obito and Nagato. Basically Nagato and his friends Yaiko and Conan basically created the Akatsuki with only peaceful purpose. Then Obito joined them and succeed in manipulating them into having more radical views. So something tragic happened, and Nagato's best friend Yaiko had to get killed by violence. And basically, him and Obito they created the Akatsuki, and they recruited like rogue ninjas from different villages, such as Deidara, Sasori, Hidan, Kakuzu, and many others. All S-rank ninjas. So yeah, let's get it. Obviously, one more thing. I've had this Akatsuki Cloak for a while now, but I want to review it, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is it. Badass, right? Let's put it on. So you've got a zip. It's got a zip, basically. But the zip doesn't go all the way. It goes halfway. Let's get it. Damn. I feel like pain of the Akatsuki. I feel like the 6 month of pain. You know what I'm saying? Mine just feels like doing some jutsu faster. Jutsu. I feel like I need some pain type shit like. Yeah, so basically that's it. Make sure you're holding up. So yeah, it's pretty light, pretty lit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's pretty flexible. You can actually fight in this thing. It's very comfortable. Yeah. So yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'm out.